Hey guys, welcome. So, how do you add a digital product on TikTok Shop? So, let's do it. So, first and foremost, let's just go ahead to our TikTok Shop here. Just click on products. You can go to orders as well if you want. Just the usual on how you actually upload a product. That's how. This is still how things are done and how to do it basically. So, once you start creating a product, I'll get what I'm saying in a sec here. Let's just wait for it. Okay, here we go. To upload still the photo, the description name, 20 letters maximum, and in here you're actually going to choose the one that's on variations, because variations of products, what type of product are you trying to sell? So what's the category? In here you could choose from the product you're looking for to sell, which is the digital products. You could just basically type it in here, and my account is not fully verified, so if you have a fully verified account, you could absolutely do that here. I can't do that here because the account that I'm using for tutorial is very limited, so but you could absolutely do that here. This was once an active account, but right now I just sort of like let it go a little bit and do other stuff. So that's just basically it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and you guys have a nice day.